Okay, let's check this one. Keep practicing for the SAT exam. So it says that Chen donates 15% of his current salary to charity. If he pay is increased by 10% and he still continues to donate 15% of the salary, by what percentage do this charity contribution increase? So basically what we do here is his salary increased by 10%. So let's find the increasing in the salary. Okay, let's suppose he earned 100 and his salary is increasing by 10%. That means that now he's making 110. Okay, that will be his salary. Could be thousands, millions, we don't know. Just take 100 as a reference. Then he continues donating 15% of the salary. So by what percentage does the charity contribution increase? So here, if I take the 15% of 110, we can break down this number of 100 and as a 10. So 15% of 100 is 15, and 15% of a 10 is 1.5. So if we add those numbers here, that will be 16.5%. So the new amount of charity that he's giving it right now is 16.5%. Now, if we find the percentage, the charity contribution increased by what percentage do his charity contribution increase? Will be by 1.5%. That was the increasing, because he was giving 15% of his salary. We don't know how much it is, so we take 100 as a reference. So he was doing already 15%. That was in the beginning. Now, after 10% increase, he's still giving the 15%. So now he's giving 16.5%. But the percentage of increase, if we subtract 16.5 minus 15, is 1.5. So 1.5 is the increase, but now what he is doing is 16.5%. Okay, let's take a look at this one. It says that, sorry for that. Okay, Joe start reading at the top of the page 97 and stops at the bottom of the page 214. How many pages has he read? Now, if we look at this problem, it's an easy problem, but maybe you will be guided to do 214 minus 97, which is 117. So if you do that, maybe you will choose this as an answer, but remember that you need to count page 97. So that's why it's one number more than 117. So the answer is 118. Now, if you look at the numbers, and let's make it simple. And suppose that you're reading from page 1 to page 5. So if you subtract here, the answer will be 4. But remember that you're counting page 1, it's 1. Page 2, it's 2. Page 3, 3. Page 44, and page 5, 5. So I read 5 pages. Because when you're subtracting 5 minus 1, that is 4, you're not counting the 1. But in this case, because the person started reading at the top of the page 97, so page 97 should be included in the pages that he or she read. So that's why we made the subtraction, and we add 1 because that 1 is the page 97. Okay? And let's see another one. It says that a rectangle box is made by putting together pieces of dimensions shown below. What is the volume of the resulting box times 4? Okay. It says here 2, 2, 5, 5, and 3, 3. So the volume of this box made by this, remember, is length times width times height. So the volume would be 2 times 3 times 5. That would be 30. Volume is equal to 30. Now, what is the volume of the box of the resulting box times 4, that will be 120. So this one is not like some complicated or something. Just remember, try to make sure to work as fast as possible and practice. That will give you more speed. More practice is directly proportional to more speed. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video.